Sparkles, the baby dragon opened one sleepy eye as a silver puff landed on his nose. The puff blinked. Sparkles blinked back. Have you ever wondered who cleans the sky when sleepy clouds spill moon dust everywhere? Sparkles' wings sparkled once, and his little heart went thump. If Sparkles makes bedtime feel cozy, join the GigglyWigglies family for more sleepy magic. The puff rolled down his nose and whispered, "Help." "Can you help Sparkles listen?" Sparkles whispered. The puff wiggled left, wiggled right, then became a tiny cloud with a worried face. "I am a little helper cleanup cloud," it said, "but I lost my cleaning sparkle." Outside, the moon had a smudge, the stars wore fluffy hats, and a sleepy rainbow tangled around the chimney. Sparkles hugged his tail. The bedtime sky cannot sleep like this. A silver trail pointed to the garden. "Can you point to it?" The trail twinkled, as if you were helping. Sparkles wrapped his starry scarf around himself. "Come on, we will solve this softly." He fluttered to the garden. The tiny cloud followed with a plop. Two glows waited under the moonberry bush. The blue glow hummed, the pink glow giggled. "A giggle is an interesting clue," Sparkles said. Under the bush, the first clue tiptoed out, a tiny broom with feather-soft bristles and cloud slippers. "A broom with slippers?" The broom brushed 3 moonberries. Swish, blue blink, swish, pink pop, swish, yellow, yawn. "Can you count them?" Sparkles whispered. 1, 2, 3. The Tickle-Tidy Broom uncovered a silver button with round, long, and heart clouds. Sparkles touched the heart cloud. It glowed only a little. The little helper cleanup cloud drooped. "That is not enough." "A little glow is still a beginning," Sparkles said. The broom tapped the ground. Tap, tap, tap. Moonberry dots appeared, but they led behind a sleepy log. "But we have not found the real secret yet," Sparkles whispered. Behind the log, something sniffled. "Take one soft breath with Sparkles." He breathed in. He breathed out. The dots floated like quiet fireflies. Behind the log sat Nibbles the Bunny, holding a fluffy cloth around a tiny cloud crumb. "It fell from the sky," said Nibbles the Bunny. "It thinks it is too small to help." The cloud crumb sniffled. "I am only a crumb." Sparkles' wings drooped. This was the second clue, a feeling. "Small helpers can do big kindness," Sparkles said. "A tiny star can make a dark sky friendly." The cloth folded into a tiny cloud blanket and hugged the crumb. The crumb glowed green. "Kindness made it glow," Sparkles gasped. "Can you whisper, 'You can help'?" Sparkles whispered it. Nibbles the Bunny whispered it. The little cloud whispered it softly. The crumb sneezed. Poomph! A green sparkle flew onto Sparkles' scarf. "That feels like my cleaning sparkle," said the cloud, "but it is not whole." The broom swept a dust circle. A picture appeared. One big cloud cleaning alone, while many little helper clouds waited nearby. The little cloud trembled. "That was me. I tried to do it alone." "Maybe the sky needs many little helpers," Sparkles said. The dots rose into a wiggly trail up the hill. "Can you wiggle your fingers softly if we should follow it?" The trail giggled higher. They climbed the soft hill. A bellflower rang. Ding, ding. A sleepy star fell, bounced on Sparkles' head, and landed in his scarf. Sparkles blinked. "Excuse me, little star. Are you a clue too?" The star spun toward a cloud cave. The hill yawned, the grass turned blanket soft, and the moon closed one eye. "Wait. Why is the moon smiling?" Sparkles whispered. Inside the cave, the third clue waited. A glowing upside-down dustpan. Sparkles turned it over. Under it was a tiny button with cloudy words. "Only opens when helpers help softly together," Sparkles read. The cave walls lit up. The broom, the cloud crumb, Sparkles, and a tiny helper glow shaped like the viewer's hand. Sparkles' eyes grew wide. That is the twist. The cleaning sparkle was not lost in one place. It was hiding inside every kind little helping moment. The dustpan sang. "La!" The broom danced. The cloud crumb bounced. The sleepy star twirled. Sparkles made a brave little face. "We need a magic phrase." He listened to the sky and whispered, "Puff, puff, silver light, clean the clouds and hug the night." Can you whisper it with Sparkles? "Puff, puff, silver light, clean the clouds and hug the night." The dustpan glowed blue. The broom's slippers sparkled pink. The cloud crumb glowed green. Then the cave opened like a soft flower. The messy bedtime sky appeared, the moon was smudged, the stars had hats, the rainbow was tangled, Sparkle's wings drooped. Oh, there is so much to tidy. The little cloud wobbled. What if I cannot do it? You do not have to do it alone, Sparkles said. What should we clean first? The moon, the stars, or the rainbow? The moon smudge wiggled. The moon is waving first, Sparkles said. Nibbles the bunny lifted the blanket. The broom stood on tiptoe. The crumb puffed proudly. Sparkles raised the dustpan. Softly together, Sparkles whispered, "Puff, puff, silver light, clean the clouds and hug the night." A silver ribbon wiped the moon's cheek. The moon opened both eyes and giggled. The moon had a ticklish cheek. Sparkles laughed. The stars bobbed in hats. The broom hopped onto a moonbeam and swept. One hat floated off, 2 hats floated off, 3 hats floated off. Sparkles counted. 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars. The 3rd star dropped a tiny note. "Thank you for helping quietly." Sparkle's chest glowed warm peach. "Can you blink 3 slow, sleepy blinks?" Blink 1, blink 2, blink 3. All the stars nestled in like sleepy buttons. Only the tangled rainbow remained. Sparkles flew close, but the rainbow curled into a knot. The little cloud trembled. "What if I make it messier?" "Then we try softly again," Sparkles said. The rainbow knot whimpered. It was not naughty, it was tired. Sparkles sang, "Little cloud, little star, soft and kind is what we are. Tiny paws and tiny wings, help can come from little things. Breathe in slow, breathe out bright. Now we tuck away the night." The rainbow knot loosened. Nibbles, the bunny, smiled. It liked the song. "This is the big helper moment," Sparkles whispered. "One more time. Puff, puff, silver light, clean the clouds and hug the night." The rainbow became 7 soft ribbons. Red rose, orange peach, yellow lantern, green pillow, blue pond, purple blanket, and pink heart. The ribbons wrapped the clean sky in cozy color. The moon shone, the stars twinkled, the clouds folded into fluffy rose. The little cloud glowed, silver, green, yellow, blue, and pink. "Your cleaning sparkle is back," Sparkles gasped. The cloud looked down. "But it is not only mine." Sparkles nodded. "It belongs to every kind helper." The glowing dustpan opened wide. It collected sleepy thank yous from the moon, stars, rainbow, cloud crumb, and one tiny helping hand. Sparkles touched it gently. "You helped too?" New helper clouds appeared. One folded a blanket, one polished a star, one tucked moon dust into a jar. Now Sparkles knew the answer. Who cleans the sky when sleepy clouds spill moon dust everywhere? Little helpers do. And the strongest sparkle comes from kindness, patience, and helping together. The moon lowered a soft beam like a slide. Everyone slid down the hill. "We," whispered the moonbeam. In the garden, blue snored a bubble, pink smiled, and yellow tucked under a leaf. "Good night, sleepy berries," Sparkles whispered. The little cloud touched Sparkles' nose, just like the first silver puff. "Thank you, Sparkles, the baby dragon," it whispered. "Thank you for asking for help," Sparkles said. The little cloud looked toward the viewer. "And thank you, quiet little helper." Then it floated back to the sky. Sparkles climbed into bed, his scarf curled around him like a warm hug. Mama Dragon peeked in. "Did you have a moonlit adventure?" Sparkles yawned. "Yes, we cleaned the sky together." Outside, clouds shaped into a bunny, a broom, Sparkles' wings, and a heart. "Pick your favorite cloud and tell your grown-up after the story," Sparkles whispered. The heart cloud pulsed softly. Sparkles breathed in softly, then out. His wings sparkled once, then almost still. Nibbles the bunny curled up. The Tickle-Tidy Broom closed its eyes. The cloud crumb nestled in the sky. Sparkles smiled in his sleep. Even the smallest helper can make the whole night brighter. And when everyone helps softly together, even a messy sky can be ready for dreams. Did you enjoy the adventure? Tap like and subscribe. The moon gave one final tiny giggle. Sparkles' blanket rose softly. Behind one silver hill, another little glow began to wiggle.